Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a video on how I do my gel nails at home. This is super easy but gives you that salon effect and it looks very pretty. So if you want to learn how to do gel manicure, then keep on watching. The first thing you want to do is prep your nails before applying any gels. So the first thing you want to do is remove any oils from your nail plate. You want to use some rubbing alcohol and then just wipe your nail plate with it, and then you wanna push back your cuticles. Then we're going to apply base gel, and it's super important to apply your gels in thin layers. So you don't want to have too much of a gel on your brush. You just want to keep it very light-handed and try to wipe the most of gel from your brush. And trust me, even if you think that you will not have enough of gel on your brush, you will. So definitely apply it very nicely, very light-handed, and just be super easy with it. You don't have to worry when it comes to gels. They're not like polishes. They will not dry unless you cure them. So yeah, and if you get any gel on your skin, make sure to remove it before you cure your gel, because you don't want to have any gel polish on your skin while you're curing it in the lamp. So you want to now cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Every gel has different curing times, so make sure you read the instructions. And here is how the base looks like. I have picked out this baby pink from Madame Glam, and I'm removing most of it from my brush because we want thin layers when it comes to gels. Just trust me, thin layers are must. So I'm applying it, as you can see on the video, and I do have some on my skin, but I'm going to remove that before curing, because do not leave gels on your skin. I'm applying it, as you can see, and I'm trying to be very light-handed with it, and I'm trying to not worry too much about it, because the more you worry, the more you will kind of mess it up. So I'm just going with the flow and applying very thin layers. Obviously, I am wrapping the nail even if I'm working with gels, because you have to do that to secure your manicure and secure your nails. So that is something that it's also kind of important. I love this kind of like baby pink, something that it's kind of whitish but it has a hint of pink. It's very pretty to me. Then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm gonna apply a second coat, again making sure that my coats are very thin. It's always better to go maybe even for 3 thin coats. So I'm applying it and applying and applying. And the fun part when it comes to gel is that you can perfect it anytime you want. So meaning you can go as much as you want over your gel polish with your brush, and it will not mess up the look, because it will not dry until you dry it in the lamp. So you can go and perfect it as many times you want. As my finishing step, I'm using no wipe top coat, and I'm going to apply it for that extra glossy finish. All of these gel polishes were super easy to work with. They are very easy to apply. I will leave all the links in the description box so you can check it out, and don't forget to check out my new Instagram page. I will also have it in the description box so you can follow me and stay connected with me on Instagram as well. Let me know what you think in comments, because I want to hear your feedback. Do you like this color? I am so pleased with it. And that will be it for today's video. Until next time, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!